Alright, so we got the SWG 240 here we're going to play around with. Lay this thing down in the water. Start our timer, 60 seconds, and get everything closed up a little bit better. Alright, so close that down. Alright, so got a normal speed shape, just regular ABS. We're going to try dip into it, see what happens with it here, and see if we can get a good dip or what's going on with it. Alright, so there's 60 seconds on the timer. Spray it and see what happens. Alright, so it looks like it activated really well. You can see it stretching out there. And so we'll dip this. And it looks like we've got a little bit of breaking up there, but I mean, all in all, everything looks like it hit really well. Nothing out of the ordinary, which that side right there was right on that edge. But other than that, it looks like everything hit really well. So activated good and all that. So it looks like we're good to go with it.